Hello.
Hey, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Go on. Are you for real? Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel, Joey here, and in today's video we'll be looking at the part 2 of the behind the scenes of the swimwear shoot I did over the weekend with a couple of creatives. So we did this shoot at Olma Colonial suit in Osu. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can check everyone involved in this video. So this video is sponsored by Fotoplays. If you don't know who Fotoplays or if you don't know what Fotoplays is, I think at the end of the video I'll let you guys know who and what Fotoplays is. So in this video I want to show you guys how I went by to take the images you'll be seeing at the end of the video, how like whatever it is I did during the shoot. It's not I didn't record audio during the shoot, so I just wanted to do some voiceover and let you guys know what I did. So I referenced from Anita Sadowska. She's more of a swimwear photographer. She's really great at what she does. So I saw a couple of pictures on her page and I was like, yo, I need to recreate some of these for my portfolio, and who best to do that with than the two models I shot. I have uploaded an earlier version where I used Tife, and this is the part 2 where I use Lemonyy. So if you don't if you haven't watched the previous video, kindly go watch the previous video. And I know in the previous video I mentioned a collaboration between creatives, right? So I have here Laud helping me with the reflector to bounce back light onto the model's face. So I was using the Canon 6D, right? So I was using the minimum stuff that we could all afford. So the Canon 6D, the Sigma 35mm 1.4, and a normal 120cm 5-in-1 reflector, which I know everyone has in their arsenal. So along the shoot we tried doing some off-camera flash shoots, and here you can see me holding the light, right? So that's the 105cm softbox from Fotoplays. So Photobox by Fotoplays. And oh, if I didn't mention, they are the sponsor for this video. I'll leave a link down in the description below together with a discount code for you to be able to purchase this 105cm beauty the stroke softbox. So yeah, you see Viaopeimu in there, you see me in there, you see Laud in there, and you see Lemonyy in there. So these are the images we created. Very nice, very great, and I hope you like them. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly turn on the bell notification icon, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like, comment, and share this video so that other creatives can also learn from this shoot. Yeah, in all, I think that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.